Well, it's a blue limestone quarry, so it's based in the south of Belgium, and it's a stone that is used a lot in Belgium, like for buildings, for roads, for sidewalks. It's a very typical Belgian stone that you can see everywhere in Belgium, and this quarry is a place where they just extract it and cut it, basically. Actually, it started like fascinating me because not being from Brussels, I spotted that material that I hadn't seen before, which is not so popular outside of Belgium, and or they use other stones in other countries. And this project I did with a quarry now, with Belgiumese design, was the opportunity for me to work with this special stone and with the quarry where they extracted, basically. Because also it was like a portrait of this location. I didn't want to make just a stone project because then I was missing the point. Then any stonemason could do a project with stone, but here I was working with a quarry, which is a very special location and which is not about refinements or like crafting the stone. It's really about extracting the stone and slicing it. And so I couldn't like approach the project like a normal design project with just drawing a beautiful piece. It wasn't the point. It was really about using their skills, their tools, and their environment, basically, and showing it. Yeah, because the place is quite fascinating. It's well, a quarry is of course huge. Everything is oversized, like the scale of the tools to the scale of the vehicles. Everything there is just massive. And so when you go there, you just want to take a lot of pictures. It's quite instinctive. And so I started like documenting like my visit there and working a lot in the different quarries, because I've got 3 quarries actually in this company. And in the end, the project was born from those pictures and using visual elements that were really specific from this place and that I could find in those photographs. And so the project is really articulated between the photographs and the objects. It's like a dialogue, basically. It's a nice challenge, but it's also a tricky challenge because usually designers are really motivated to work with a company in collaboration. But you never know how motivated will the company be. And I was very lucky in that sense because the quarry was extremely motivated. They were super committed and really involved in the project and helping me out, like finding solutions and really willing to make me discover all the specificities and all the trickiness of the material, and yeah, it was. I had a very good moment working with them. I don't know if it's so different from the work I do in general, because except that usually it's more like self-initiated projects, but I've been working a lot with processes and how things are made and trying to create my own processes. And here it's just the same. It's about their processes, and which are not used usually to design. So it's like just having a new process and trying to tell a story with it. And I think actually it articulates well with the other projects I did before. But it's also, yeah, this different way of working is also something I'm thinking about continuing, like following with maybe other companies, but not really like just producers, but like heavy industrial companies, like the ones that are before the industrial design companies, you know, like more like the extraction, like mining, and it's just thoughts I have for the moment.